Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print from Pinterest apps. If you like a pen or like an image on Pinterest and you want to print it, for example, I want to print this image right here. So unfortunately, in Pinterest, there is no direct options where you can print it directly directly from the app. So if you click on the share button, there is no options to print it. So if you click on more, there is also no print option. So what you need to do is first download the image first. So click on the three dots icon at the top left corner, then click on download image. Then you can just find the image on your albums gallery. For example, in here, okay, this photos right here. And what you need to do next is just click on the share button on the image, and here find the print option. So click on a print, and you can just follow the print procedure from the device or the printer that you selected. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.